Hey guys, good morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. This is our hobby. It's me and it's Pinto here, and we're trying to enter the Bandipur forest. Let's see if we can sight something. Let's see if we're lucky enough. But this is our hobby. This is how we spend our weekends. We're crossing the Gopalswamy Betta board. Right side is Gopalswamy Betta. That we'll cover someday. Road is beautiful, climate is beautiful. Let's see how it is. Good traffic. I think a lot of people are going to Ooty. And look at the mist in front. It's misty, the road is covered. This is the new safari center. It is quite far from the main place. You need to book your tickets here. Beautiful sunrise on the left. As I told you, it's just 6:30, 6:45, 7 o'clock in the morning. See the sun above the hill. The most picturesque thing we will ever see. Trucks parked. They were all waiting for the gate in the night. As you know, the gate is open from 5 o'clock in the morning. 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock in the morning. So people who come late night after 9 o'clock in the night have to park here and wait. There are a couple of tea shops here. The quality of food is also good. Nothing to complain about. Okay, so you be careful when you visit. If it is before 9 o'clock, fine then. Otherwise, take a room somewhere before the gate and stay. There's no point risking because it won't be open for anybody, whoever you are. It is a strict central government rule. So we are almost entering the gate. But we're not going for a safari now. We're just doing a round of the place. There's a watchman here. Mangla. So that is the advantage of knowing people. And we just entered the gate. Let's see if anything great comes up. We'll capture that. But look at the trees. It is hardly February. And they're already dry. You can see that now. What to do? Let's see. See that misty sunlight between the trees. That is the best part of being in the jungles. Wow, look at that. Covered between the trees, a beautiful sunrise. Awesome. First sighting, a beautiful deer. Let's see what else is there in store. Wow, misty place. Look at it. Hairpin bends. Cool hairpin bends, and you can enjoy the drive up. That's the bend. Look at it, man. Very misty at 7 o'clock in the morning. The dry trees, mist. Awesome place for photography. Nature photographers, landscape photographers, mobile photographers. All of them wonderful place. Only thing, you can't get down anywhere. That is the only deal. So from the car you can take any photographs you want. And look at the sun again there. Wow. Driving towards the sun. What else do you need in the early morning? Cool nature air, fresh air, breezy. No AC running in the car. That's it. Beautiful. So that, what you see in front is the forest parking for the people who stay here. So this was the office before, but now it is not. And they have the offices also here. The RFOs, everybody stays here, or at least their offices are here if they don't stay also. So this is Bandipur actual forest office. Okay, so we're just crossing this and we'll be entering a secret spot. Only photographers know this. People who cross do not know this. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So this is a lucky road. We will see if we get something. If we don't get anything, fine, no problem. So that is the board. I know you can see it. Mangla. We just do this road. There's a very famous leopard out here, Misakari and family. Let's hope we get a glimpse of it today. Hopefully. The villagers here, beautiful people. Look at them. Early morning, they're doing some fire warming. Lovely villagers. These are all the quarters for the staff. There was a school here. I couldn't cover it. We just crossed it. That's the compound. And see, look at that. The wild boars. Lot of them. And they freely roam around here. There's no human-animal conflict as such here. At least. People live with it in harmony. So that is the coveted spot. Oh, look at the deers. Look at the deers. Look at the deers. So many of them. We get more of them, but now the grass is less. See, lots and lots of deers. Lots of deers. Again, see this place. Full of deers. The quality could be a little bad because the lighting is not great, but still, the experience is great. That is all I would say. The experience is really great. So this is the first lawn. With the number of deers around, I don't think there is Misakari around. But it is a difficult search. She's always hidden somewhere in the tree, like that. So we'll give it a search. And this is the view of the rooms here, the government rooms. It's quite far, but good enough rooms. I'll show that to you some other day. The inside of the rooms, everything. But this is the place overall. Look at that, as beautiful as it can be. My vlogs are more of an experience rather than sightseeing. I think if you are regular with my vlogs, you'll know. It is just about enjoying the place, not about finding something, doing something like that. It's about enjoying. Look at Pinto. He's trying to find where is the leopard. Hope he gets. He's a super sight man. And see, on the road is a peacock. I hope I covered it. Another one running away. So you have to be very careful. That's a jungle fowl. You can see that. Slowly moving around. And look at the sound. That's a peacock shouting or calling. You hear it in the jungles only. Obviously, jungle fowl. Look at that. Lovely peacock. That's the peacock sound. Can't get better than this. So serene, so beautiful. Agriculture is the main source. People see 7 o'clock in the morning, they've started the tractors and on the way for something. Look at the trees on both sides. This is the sight we get here. They've burnt the place because to avoid fire on both sides. If you see, it is black. So they burnt because to avoid fire from other sources. Then this season they normally do it in March before the summer gets in. They normally do it. A huge wild boar. Hunting is banned. Don't try to take a wild boar home. He's screwed for life. That's the forest checkpost before we enter all the villages or human habitats. And look, elephants. A whole family. Lovely. We'll move on. We're not supposed to stop on the road for long and disturb them. This is the oldest resort, Tusker Trails, which is now given to somebody else. But this has old, beautiful memories with us. This is the oldest, most beautiful resort, owned by the Maharaja family of Mysore. Someday we'll take an interview with him also. Beautiful, isn't it? Now it's become windflower now, but long back, say 10-15 years back, this used to be the best place around. This is our regular tea shop. The guy is not come yet. Hope he comes in sometime. Beautiful village, that's what we said. These are all tribal villages. See small shops. This is what Mangla Road has got.
ಹಸು ಇದೆ, ಎತ್ತಿದೆ, ಹುಳ ಎತ್ತು, ಜಮೀನು ಉಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎತ್ತು ಎರಡಿದೆ, ನಾಟಿ ಎತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸು ಇದೆ, ನಾಟಿ ಹಸು. ಇದು ಹಿಲಾತಿ ಹಸು. ಇದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ರಿಂದ 3 ಲೀಟರ್ ಹಾಲು ಕರೀತದೆ. ಇದು ನಾಟಿ ಹಸುಗಳು ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ರಿಂದ 1.5 ಲೀಟ್ರು 2 ಲೀಟ್ರು ಹಾಲು ಕರೀತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆ.
Beautiful bus, early morning bus, halt bus, 7 o'clock bus. That's a beautiful Lango. Look at him running. There's one more on the road. See that beautiful running now. Oh, that's it. Another one. Look at that. Right under the tree, you can't see him. One more. Lot of langurs. Langurs give the call for the tigers. So I hope there is something nearby. So we are towards the end of the trail, and this is the hotspot for the leopard. Normally, we have seen langurs. Normally, if it crosses the road, wonderful. But hope it is somewhere. We're just looking around. This is what we do early mornings before the safari starts. A 1-hour trip here, and then we go on to the safaris. That's the famous speed breaker where it crosses. So these are the trees. Generally, where somewhere in these trees is when it comes and sits, because in the morning it needs sunshine. Hopefully there's something like that. We'll keep seeing. Sighting is very important. Leopard. Oh my God! Look at it! Leopard somewhere. We're getting ready. That's our equipment. And look at Pinto. We have started off. It's quite far. It will come only in a zoom camera. And I don't know if you guys can see it. That's Pinto clicking away. Hope we get a good photo. Light is good. Hope we get at least one good photo of the leopard. Very far. Can't make out in the GoPro anyways, but I'll show you a photo when processed. There's the alarm call also. You could see that deer barking. This is what we do. The fate of summer. Look at that, the lakes have dried up. This is the hugest lakes here, but look at the animals struggling to drink some water. That's the safari jeep. They're going inside the forest. Private vehicles are not allowed inside these cut roads. And we wish them luck. Hope they get some good sightings, just like we got a leopard. Hard-working people in the morning. This is how the village life is. They're carrying milk, banana leaves in a small Tata Ace. Look at how they are standing. So risky in life. Those are the hardships of life. Macaques with the babies. Look at that with the baby. Cool. Oh, look at his pose. He wants food. That's a beautiful family sitting there. Macaque family. Bonnet macaque. Look at him standing. Wow. So we're back again. We've ordered tea. This is our regular shop just next to Pinto's place. Early morning. Hope the tea is good. Oh boy, look at the Paratha master getting the breakfast ready. Paratha is the best any day, everywhere. But we are not eating now. So with that, tea has come. Pinto's brought his daughter.
Hi.
Andrea. Hi.
So with that cute smile, let's say bye. Please subscribe.